Okay, I'm back. It's the 7th now. And I made some videos yesterday explaining what I was thinking and stuff, but I think I can explain it faster today than adding those videos to this. But yesterday, when I made that video, or those videos, or whatever you call it, it caused me to realize that I didn't like the way this Walmart looked. Even, like this chart and stuff. It just looks to me like it's going sideways now. Or down. Or sideways, Even if it's going down, that's just some degree of sideways, right? Either way, I'm supposed to be holding stuff that's in an uptrend. And this doesn't qualify anymore, Which I've already known that, but, yeah, I can't remember if I said that in the video yesterday. Anyway, I was going to move my stop up or something, and I just got to look at it, and I'm like, hey, I'm just going to sell it. So, it evolved along. I was going to buy some Flow because I had $25 worth of Flow, and I had $375 worth of Walmart. And it just kind of made sense, But the market closed like 1 minute before I could do it. So then, over the course of last night, I realized there's probably better stuff I could buy than Flow. So today I end up buying MO. And I bought $375 worth of MO. I guess here. And come to find out, MO is, I think they own 10% of Philip Morris. Some people say it's like Philip Morris's parent company or something. I think they own some Anheuser-Busch and some sort of quit smoking type product or something, maybe. And I started thinking about risk to reward type, stuff. And so I started figuring it out. I went and drew a trend line through the center, like the average of these trends, And I just went till 2023. That's about 6 months. It might be a good, average time to hold one of these things. I don't know. And just for, just for giggles, just to see, out of curiosity, if it's worth my money, I'm better off putting the $400 in my somewhere else, just spending it on coffee or something, Anyway, so I start looking at these risk to rewards, like this. I drew the things accurately. These short position or long positions, I guess you call them. Would you get out of this so I can see? No. There we go. Yeah, and then I wrote them all down. And just to make sure they were okay, So I'm not even sure what okay is, but I thought this one was really bad, but I had to, I don't know, I guess I didn't do it right or something, so I had to fix it real quick. But it's 2-1 now. Ish, almost. It's almost 2-1 on the risk to reward. But I did find a big problem. Well, a bunch of them are really good. Anyway, I guess you don't need to know about that. The one that the problem was really was Flow. They were all like 2-to-1 at least, you know. Some of them act a lot better than that. Except for Flow. Yeah, you pull Flow back and look at the average of it. Since 2005. And you can start thinking that it could be headed for right where I bought it by 2023. On average, you know. So I don't know if moving the stop up on that one is going to be, or even owning it. Well, I only got 26 bucks worth, I guess. I should sell it and buy MO. Well, I just wanted you to see that real quick. I'm doing pretty good on some of these. Well, most of these. I'm getting ready to sell this Flow. Well, I sold it, but this is my Thinkorswim, so I can't buy partial shares or anything like that. And a MO costs like 60 bucks right now for an MO. So, yeah. I'll have to figure out something to do with the 40 bucks. And I could put it in the Pacific Gas because it's only $11.99. Yeah, I had a fucking 5-to-1 risk to reward on that too. That's probably what I'm gonna do real quick. Well, I just bought it. It was up to $12.18. So anyway, I only got 3. Could get 3 more of them, but so sweet. I just noticed that all my stops are gone. I think I set them for one day instead of good till canceled. Yeah, right here where it says day. To change that to GTC, I guess. Yeah, I think I've done it. Took some time here, but yep, I think I've done her. Okay, so that got me thinking that, well, if they get near my target, you know, not having to wait for 6 months, maybe I should sell it. Maybe I should just sell it, you know. And then also, like say they would get halfway to my target in a month, you know, you can make 10% in a month instead of 20% in 6 months. Maybe you should just sell it. Which got me looking at the COP that I just flipped to here. You know, it seems like it's halfway there in a month. Yeah, about a month. So maybe it's time to sell that. I don't know. Just something to think about. Making these videos has for sure saved my trading career. For the record. Okay, so I was just getting ready. to upload the video, and the only reason I don't sell the COP is because I watch Doug every morning, and Doug said that the gas prices could go up to $6 this summer, and he also said that the price of those stocks relates to the oil prices and stuff. So I might just want to hang on to that, you know. Okay, so I just got some numbers in that I wanted to go through, and I showed a bunch of them on the screen a few weeks ago, but I don't know. I just think verbally would be easier if I needed to write it down or something someday. So here we go. I bought Trex 3 at $62.46 and also 4 more at $62.44, and I put my stop at 48.15. PCG, I bought 33 at 12.02 and I put my stop at 11.05. BCC, I bought 5 at 77.94 and put my stop at 67.30. DBA, I bought 18 at 21.985 and I put my stop at 20.94. Flow, I bought 1 at 28.13, put my stop at 23.54. COP, I bought 2 at 101.06 and put my stop at 84.37. KDP, I bought 11 at 37.49, put my stop at 32.63. And then WMT, I bought 3 at 148.08, and that was actually last year in October. But I also bought MO. I bought 6.87546 at 53.4. And then I sold some Walmart 3 at 121.83. And this would be on my Webull. These last two, the MO and the Walmart. I think I said the Walmart, but anyway. I sold 3 Walmarts for 121.83. I also bought some Bitcoin. I bought 0.04861164 Bitcoins for a total price of $1,592.42. I sold some MJ, 33 of them at $7.35. Sold VGT, 0.70819 of them at $350.63. And then I sold 2 more at $350.77. And then I bought some VGT for $261.97. It was a partial, and the price was $369.91. And then I bought 2 full ones at $369.7 of the VGT. And then Vail, I sold 20 at 19.3. MJ, I bought 33 at 9.46. Vail, I bought 20 at 16.69. Walmart, I sold 7 at 127.60571. VGT, I bought 2 at 365.21. Walmart, I bought 7 at 138.5. VGT, I sold 2 at 360.38. And I sold Flow 1 at 26.11. And then it says that I lost $2 total, $2.02 total on the Flow. I lost $9.66 on the VGT from Thinkorswim. I lost $76.26 on the Walmart from Thinkorswim. I made $52.20 off of Vail, VALE. And I lost $69.63 from MJ. I also lost $50.80 from the VGT on Webull. And then the Walmart on Webull, I lost $78.75. And that was the one that went into last year a little bit. And the total that I donated to VGT was $60.46. The total I donated to Sam Walton and them fellers was $155.01. And then the total that I lost altogether was $287.12. But then if you take out the $52.20 I made from the Veil, I net lost $234.62 so far this year. Of course, that's from the trades that are finished out that I've sold. But that would put me in the negative pretty good for this year. I think I was only up 100 on my Thinkorswim, and my Webull's got to be in bad shape. I'm probably down on my Bitcoin. Wouldn't surprise me, I got a bunch of it too, so. Well, I guess you don't count that though, huh? But, anyway, yeah. Well, I guess 234.92 is the net that I've lost. And looks like I forgot to read it because it was circled or something, but I also bought 3 PCGs at 12.19.